Campus This Week.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the campus classes. Here's the 46th episode of Campus This Week. I'm Arjani from English Department Sonada 3rd semester, anchoring for Campus This Week for Radio Salesian 90.8 FM. New semester starts with regular classes on campus from 2nd of March 2022. Birendra Kerkata of Mass Communication 6th semester reports from Siliguri.
College life seems to have come normal after regular classes suspended since corona outbreak and lockdowns from March 2020. Classes on campus resumed on Wednesday 2nd March 2020 from 4th and 6th semester students. Second semester students joined campus classes from Thursday 3rd March.
Siliguri Science Deanery holds 6th National Conference on Trends in Science and Technology. Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Dr. Digvijay Kharka reports.
Salesian College Silguri celebrated National Science Day on 28th February 2022 by organizing 6th Annual National Conference on the theme Trends in Science and Technology, TIST 2022. Founding Manager Partner, Equity Venture Partner from USA, Mr. Amar Lama, talked about the importance and need for STEM, Science, Technology, Engineering and Mathematics education as a new way of teaching as well as learning. Salesian College Silguri IQAC Coordinator, Dr. S. Das, talked about integrated approach in science and technology for a sustainable future. Professor Das spoke of multidisciplinarity, innovation and need for gender equality in the field of science and technology. Other speakers included Project Manager, Workforce Development Council USA, Mr. Ganendra Subba, Professor J.K. Mandal, Director IQAC, Kalyani University, Dr. Trilochan Gatli, Technical Officer, BARC Mumbai, and Dr. Uttam Ghosh, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, University of Calcutta. 3 publications were released in the valedictory session, including release of the Digitric magazine with contributions from both the faculty members and the students from the Science Deanery. Another book released was Metric Spaces, authored by Assistant Professor Subhajit Paul, Head, Department of Mathematics, and TIST Memoirs, collection of papers from past TIST conferences, was also released.
Arts and Humanities Deanery of Siliguri campus holds pre-workshop meet on student-oriented faculty enhancement. Assistant Professor Shilpita Jain of Sociology Department gives details.
The Arts and Humanities Deanery of Salesian College Siliguri held its 3rd pre-workshop meeting on 23rd February on facing challenges that ushered during and post-pandemic, particularly after the new students joined. Resource person Father Dr. Prince of Psychology Department created a worksheet as tool to address concerns of both the educand and the educator within the institution. He explained that the planning for the upcoming workshop is focused on providing solution to problems and will be remedial in nature. The worksheet was divided into 3 parts: student-oriented topics, faculty-oriented topics, and curriculum and pedagogy-oriented topics, each criteria having 12 topics for discussion. Some 40 faculty members of the deanery were divided into 5 groups to discuss issues raised in the worksheet.
Siliguri Mass Communication Department first to implement MOU with St. Andrew's College, Mumbai. Shreyoshi Saha of Mass Communication Department 4th semester reports.
Mass Communication Department of Salesian College Siliguri held the first lecture of a series with students of Mass Communication of St. Andrew's College, Mumbai. Director of Radio Salesian, Father C.M. Paul held a special lecture on community radio on 24th February 2022. St. Andrew's College of Arts, Science and Commerce, Mumbai is a Roman Catholic college in the Bandra suburb. The college was inaugurated on 9th July 1983 by Cardinal Simon Pimenta, Archbishop of Bombay, with 194 students. It is an undergraduate college offering junior and degree courses with a student strength of over 4,000.
Student brothers use holiday time to make link road for hostel girls. Brother Banhulang Lingdo of Psychology, 4th semester, reports.
8 brother students of Salesian College Silguri used 6 days after their university examinations and the start of the new semester to make a link road for hostel girls. In the rainy season, the path to hostel through the low-lying land in the college campus gets submerged, making the passage difficult. After completing the work in 4 days, brother students helped to harvest potatoes grown on campus. They also had a day out visiting Jesuit fathers' institutions and a Navajivan hospital in Gaiganga. The brothers also visited former staff of Nazareth Bhavan in the old people's home run by missionaries of Charity Sisters at Ghoshpukur. The group also visited Ghoshpukur and Bhimpar parishes. Brothers had surprise meeting of a Cluny sister, alumna of Salesian College Siliguri, in her Birbham convent.
Those are the latest news from campus this week. Enjoy the rest of your day.